Hi all and welcome back to Techanorakuk. So I've got for you today the review of the Samsung Galaxy A12. I've reviewed it before on my channel, and this has been my work phone for the last year or so. And yeah, it's been an okay phone. It's typical, Samsung budget phone. It's got good build quality, nice solid design. It's obviously plastic, but I quite like the two-tone look to it. So this is smooth plastic, and then this is like a what's the word? I can't find the words. It feels a bit like a record, like an LP, textured basically with lines. So yeah, at the time the camera hump as well, that was probably going for like iPhone sort of design, and a lot of phones are coming out with that. But yeah, it's been good. I've run my YouTube channel partly with this when I've needed to film my main phone, and the camera was really good for what it was. It's not it's as budget phones go, it's a good camera, I'm trying to say. So this was night mode. It's a picture of Yoda. Night mode's not very good, but the day shots are really good. So it's a picture of my daughter's little Fisher Price car here. The colours are really true to life. If you zoom in, you're not losing much, nice and sharp. Just a few more shots here, guys. But yeah, like it's been a spot on device, basically, I'm trying to say. It's got a macro camera. The macro camera is pretty rubbish. If you can see that fly there, it doesn't focus well. Again, a macro shot, not very good at all. Selfie camera's good. It's captured my big fat head from last year. I've lost weight since then. I'm looking a bit better. So that's bokeh blur. That's normal portrait with no bokeh. Here's some video, guys. Well, I hate that on Samsungs, right? The videos. I don't like the preview of the videos. Like, you have that play video bit, and you have the muted as default, and it's just really annoying. Even on my S22 Ultra, it's like that. Anyway, sorry guys, moaning, but yeah, here we go. So we'll listen to the man himself.
This is a full HD 30 test on the Samsung A12. So again, as always, we check for stabilisation, guys, check for quality. Do my normal run around the garden, focus on a few things.
So yeah, full HD, the quality's okay. It's 30 frames per second. The stabilization, there isn't any, I don't believe. Looking at it, it's very, very jerky, like you're walking on a ship or something. So yeah, not good for vlogging, or if you're filming your holiday. It's going to be all right, but you get what you pay for, and it's not the best. It'd be nice to have stabilization. Phone, it's still a Samsung, but I suppose it costs £100, £130 at the time. So yeah, just basic, but that's how it is. So here's a vlogging one.
In-camera test on the Samsung A12. See what the stabilisation's like on this one, guys. Doesn't go up to 4K, but yeah, full HD is not bad for a budget phone, and we'll see what's going on. Walk down some steps, see how we do. Let's check then, make sure I don't fall over for you guys.
Yeah, so the front-facing camera's got better stabilisation from the looks of it than the main lens. So if you were vlogging, at least you could use the front-facing one. It does look pretty good. That's a panoramic shot, you can tell by the curve. But yeah, like I say, it's been really good. The phone can be a bit laggy, but again, you get what you pay for. And I'll just show you some multitasking, guys. So if we go on Chrome, we'll search for Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's see how much it is at the moment, guys. I've not looked at that. So yeah, still £130. I know the A13, as you can see there, that's come out, and that's the same price. So why would you buy the A12 when the newer model's out? I believe that this isn't much of an improvement, but obviously you're going to go with a newer one, aren't you? if they're the same price. But yeah, you could probably get this on the used market for, you know, £100, probably less than that. There's £100. That's probably a refurb. So yeah, you know, it's okay. So yeah, let's show you this multitasking, guys. So if we go up, as you can see, it's not stuttering. You're not seeing it slow to load, which is good. And then if we open in split screen view, so just like again my £1,200 Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, you can do the same multitasking, which is nice. So we get YouTube on the bottom there. You can switch the apps, you know, running nice and smooth. We'll just play anything.
The EE summer sale is here. Great deals on Android phones with Google built in. Save £240 on the Google.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. So you can watch a headphone review whilst browsing the internet. If you put it in landscape, again, you can have a bigger video there and then just like a small window. So say if you want to be Googling these earbuds, I can't remember what they are. I think they're I can't remember what they're called. Well, you know, you get the point. You know, you can be multitasking, which is the point there, which is really good. So from that, let's do a little YouTube test. It's only a downward firing speaker, so you know, it's not amazing, but again, for the price, it's all right. And we'll do my usual 4K Lamborghini test. Let's see what you think. So it's a 720p panel. It's only IPS. It's not a Samsung AMOLED panel, but I think it's really nice for the again for the cost. So let's have a watch of this. I'll just show you. So really, it's 720p, but it's 720p plus. So if you look, it's really detailed. So you know, you could be forgiven for thinking it's full HD. If you look, you can see the rivets on this split rim, like BBS here, and into the brakes and everything, and even like the tire dimensions and stuff. So it's a nice panel. It's again built to a cost. It's not AMOLED as Samsung make, but you know, if you're on a budget or a kid, you're going to be more than happy with the display, I'd say. And again, you've got that single speaker, but it's loud and yeah, good enough for the cost. Okay, so I was going to show you a shooting game, guys, but it's not downloaded for some reason. So let's just do a bit of what you'd probably do on this game, Subway Surfers, you know, casual sort of games. I have played Call of Duty on this, and it was okay, to be honest. It you know, was totally fine. Bit stuttery and things from memory, but I have got my review on that if you wanted to watch that as well. But yeah, let's do a bit of this. Again, you know, these sort of games, it's not going to have any problems with. They're really addictive, these sort of temple run games, aren't they? I do like them. But yeah, this screen's really nice again, you know. It doesn't look subpar, you know, it's okay. I'll just keep going till I die, guys, but if you get bored, please feel skip free to the end. I've not practiced this, so I'm pretty good, really. Until that train hit me. So there you go, guys. You know, you can do some gaming on it. As I say, if you wanted to see some more intensive stuff, I'm sure I tested Call of Duty on this, and it was okay. You know, it's not going to be like flagship sort of gameplay, but yeah, you know, you can get some stuff done. It's not a total lemon, this phone, for gaming. Alright guys, so one thing where this phone really excels is battery. So it's a 720p panel, as we said, and it's got a big 5000 milliamp hour battery in here. So we'll have a look at some battery stats. I don't use it as my main device, so this is probably not going to be a good example, but it lasts and lasts, you know. Like, I can leave this on standby. You're probably going to get about 4 or 5 days. The usage, when I do use it, you're getting, you know, 6+ screen on hours of screen on time. It's, you know, a monster battery, so it's a good work phone, or, you know, a good phone for people who are on the go and don't have that, you know, don't work in an office, for instance, and you can't charge your phone all the time. So yeah, that's one thing, you know, really good selling point on this one. The battery's huge. You know, it's going to be better than flagship devices because it doesn't have a big processor. So yeah, you know, really recommend it based on the battery. So yeah, guys, like I say, I've had this for a year and I've not hated it. I love phones, you know, I like high-end phones, but this has been great. You know, it's just a nice budget phone. I recommend it to anyone picking it up. The A13, if it's even a bit better than this, I'd recommend the A13. I've not used it personally, but, you know, I'd imagine it's going to be on this sort of level, and if not a bit better. But if you can get the A12 for, say, under $100, under £100 in the UK, I'd pick it up. It's, you know, if you just want a basic phone for your kid or, you know, someone in your family, it's a nice big screen. It's a no-brainer, really. So yeah, I've got this just for another few weeks or so. My new company that I'm going to start working for, they're going to give me an iPhone. I don't know which iPhone, but I'll probably review that on the channel. But yeah, this is going back, and like I say, it served me well. It's been a good work phone, really. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Any questions? Like I say, I've got this a bit longer, but yeah, thanks for watching. Techanorakuk out. Take care.